Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to skim coat a wall for beginners. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, this video is rated 18, funny and could have some trivial languages as well. As you know from the previous videos, I started to build a house on my own and now I have to do the finishing as well. Because of this virus stuff, I cannot find skilled people. I have to do it on my own and I have to learn on the go. Alright, let's go back to the video of today. I'm gonna show you how to skim coat a wall for beginners. First things first, you're gonna need some indoor gypsum based skin coat like this one over here, and we're gonna mix it, and then I'm gonna show you more and more about how to do the stuff. This is pretty simple. We're gonna mix it with the water. You're not gonna make it too thin or too wobbly, and then just mix it with a machine and you should be done. It's simple, but if you're gonna need, I'm gonna make a special tutorial about how to mix, how to prepare the thing. But first, why is it important to skim coat your walls? As you can see in this room, this is the rough room. This is not cement plastered as well. This is just the walls built and that's it. The next step in a room should be cement plaster the walls. This is an important the step as well, and not in all the countries they are doing the same thing, but in this one, and I prepared to do it to isolate and to strengthen the walls and so on. I'm doing it the classic way. Alright, so basically after you cement plaster the wall, the next thing in line should be skim coating the stuff and then prepare for painting. Normally I do it like this. Let me show you here. This one here, we have a fiberglass mesh. This one I'm gonna do it, the first layer is to apply it with the fiberglass mesh, and then the second, as you can see here, it blends in. This is 2 layers, one with the mesh and one with to make it smooth without the mesh. After that we're gonna go with a third layer of finishing compound, pre-painting stuff as well. Then we're gonna sand it, we're gonna make some repairs. As you can see here, we have a repair to do and so on. Stuff, bits and bobs, as you can see here as well, and all along. So this is very easy. You just mix it and then apply it to the walls. You're gonna need a tool like this one to apply it. As I showed you, first layer we're gonna go from up to down, and second one like so, not that thin and not that grossier layer as well. So this is all the stuff you're gonna need to do it. I'm gonna show you next a full video on how to do it. Alright friends, stay safe, watch out for the virus, and see you on the next one. Ciao!